This new gun control law take effect right away, which means there is an immediate impact for some gun owners in this state. Our team coverage continues now with News 8's Kent Pierce, who is live in Newington this noon. Kent?
Keith, gun owners and especially gun stores as well, because as of right now that the governor has signed that bill into law, at places like Hoffman's, they can no longer sell a bunch of weapons that didn't used to be considered assault weapons, but they are as of right now, and a bunch of ammunition clips that didn't used to be illegal, but they are right now. This is why gun owners have been stocking up for weeks and even just this morning. They lined up in the cold before the Newington Gun Exchange even opened, hoping to get what they wanted before the governor's pen made what they wanted illegal.
I see a lot of people concerned and trying to make their last-minute purchases to protect themselves, their Second Amendment rights.
And you took care of that a while ago. You got what you needed already?
Yes.
Because you saw this day coming?
Yes.
Many saw it coming the day of the tragedy at Sandy Hook. That afternoon, people started pouring into gun stores knowing a crackdown was coming. But now that it's here, gun store employees like Gary Lenk are not entirely sure what this law does.
We'll probably wind up yanking the magazines out of half of the firearms that we have on the shelf. And nobody's going to want to buy them without magazines. So to a certain extent, we're going to be out of business after 1201.
So for weeks now, they've been selling lots of large capacity ammunition clips, assault style weapons. But as of now, they're not exactly sure what they can and cannot sell.
It also brings up the specter of criminal prosecution for something that we may do that turns out to be illegal, or something that we don't do that turns out to be illegal.
And everyone we spoke with outside the gun exchange made it clear the one thing this law will not do is prevent a mentally disturbed person from going on a shooting rampage in the future.
This whole saga started with an act of total madness, and our legislators seem bound and determined to make it end that way.
A lot of questions still to be answered. At least the stores can keep selling ammunition, that is, until the state figures out a way to implement the part of this law that requires everybody to have some sort of certificate or license to even buy ammunition. That's coming in the future. For now, we're live in Newington. I'm Kent Pierce, News 8.